How to book a room on Motel 6. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Motel 6 website. Here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and you will find a search bar. There, type in where you want to book a room, location, and then date. Check-in date and check-out date. How many guests? After you select a date and guest, click on search. After you click on search, you'll find all the nearby motels near you and you can click on it. Click on continue to book on the right side. After you click on continue to book on the right side, add your guest information like first name, last name, your mobile number, and your email address. Then select payment details, add your new card, press on confirm booking at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to book a room on Motel 6. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.